Logic is simply the study of the rules for valid inference. That is to say, how can you move from premises to a conclusion validly? What is logically implied by those premises? And in fact, there are really only about 9 rules of inference that govern all human reason. And these are easy to memorize and to apply. They can help you to construct valid arguments yourself rather than having logical leaps in your argument. And it can also help you to spot the logical fallacies in the objections of some person who is opposing Christianity by analyzing his argument to see if it follows the rules of inference. You can often discover that in fact his argument is invalid, that it violates these rules of inference. So I would encourage every Christian to at least study and memorize these 9 basic rules of inference for valid reasoning.